DJI Osmo 362 and Insta360 X6 are two of the most exciting 360 cameras right now. But after real-world use, which one actually gives you the better overall experience? DJI's advantages. Let's start with the advantages of DJI's panoramic camera. The first major advantage is the price. The standard package is considerably cheaper than the Insta360 X6 by several hundred yuan. Despite the lower price, DJI also includes quite a lot in the standard package. You get a dedicated storage case, a lens protection cover, and other useful accessories. Another advantage is the internal storage. Even though the camera is cheaper, it offers around 105 gigabytes of usable storage, which is quite generous. Compatibility is another strong point. The battery can be used with previous generation DJI panoramic cameras, and it is also compatible with the X series batteries, including models such as the X5 and X6. The quick-release mounting system is also compatible with the X series accessories, making it very convenient if you already own other compatible equipment. DJI's disadvantages. The biggest weakness is heat management. During long recordings, especially when shooting for around an hour, the camera can become extremely hot to the touch. The heat performance is not particularly impressive during extended video recording. Another limitation is cloud storage support. Unlike some other models that allow you to upload videos directly to cloud storage, this camera currently does not support that feature. Whether this will be added through a future software update remains unclear. Insta360 X6 advantages. Now let's talk about the Insta360 X6. One of its biggest advantages is its heat management. After using it for 1 or even 2 hours of continuous recording, including long fishing videos, I never experienced the camera becoming uncomfortably hot. This was actually quite surprising to me. The X6 also offers more creative shooting options. For example, when using its single lens mode with the gimbal-style shooting function and pairing it with the Luna head tracking module, you can achieve a tracking experience similar to Luna. Basically, wherever you turn your head, the camera follows that direction. It makes the shooting experience much more dynamic and fun. The X6 also supports cloud video uploads. However, the service is provided through Insta360's own cloud platform, and it requires a paid subscription. Insta360 X6 disadvantages. The first issue is the startup experience. When you press the power button, the X6 normally responds very quickly. However, occasionally it can take another 2 or 3 seconds before the startup screen appears. It doesn't happen every time, but when it does, the experience feels slightly less polished. The biggest disadvantage, however, is the price. The X6 costs close to 4,000 yuan, which is significantly more expensive. Despite that higher price, the included accessories are quite basic. You mainly get a standard carrying pouch, a small accessory, and a USB-C cable. To be honest, the carrying pouch is not even as good as the one included with the X5. Considering the higher price, this is a little disappointing. The internal storage is another weakness. The X6 only provides around 47 gigabytes of usable internal storage, which feels quite limited compared with DJI's roughly 105 gigabytes. Which one should you buy? So, which camera should you choose? If you have a limited budget, or if you already own DJI equipment, such as the previous generation panoramic cameras, DJI's model is a very practical choice. The batteries can be shared, the quick-release mounting system can be shared, and the overall compatibility is excellent. Most importantly, it is considerably cheaper. On the other hand, if you have a larger budget and want more creative shooting options, the Insta360 X6 is the better choice. The camera itself offers more shooting features, while the Insta360 app provides even more creative tools and editing options. Overall, DJI offers better value for money, larger internal storage, and excellent accessory compatibility. The X6, meanwhile, delivers better heat management and a wider range of creative features. So, if your priority is price and practicality, go with DJI. If you want more features, more creative possibilities, and a more versatile shooting experience, the Insta360 X6 is worth considering. Let's take a look at both device footage.